up, guys? Bobby here, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Today we're going to work on the 2002 Corolla. Hopefully this will be the last video on this. I got to change the idle air control valve, which is, oops, drop the box, which is down, let's see, there we go, down over here, right there. So I got to change that. So I think I can just take off the air tube and then wiggle it out. There's no coolant lines to it, no nothing. Here's the new one. Give you an idea what it looks like. Excuse the wind, check it out. It is excessively windy out today. So excuse the wind noise, sorry. But here we go again. Here's the new one. One-handed. Wow, what was that? Comes with a new gasket and the new idle air control valve. Couldn't find, well, this thing is not cheap. I know it's a cheap Chinese, but hopefully it works. Brand new. Buying it from here is $235, so no, I'm not gonna spend that much. So hopefully this fixes it. This is the problem because on the other one, the O-ring right here popped out, and I'll show you that when I take it off. All right, so let's take the air tube off and let's do this. All right, so what I had to do was take out the air box and some other things, but I got to pull it out. So now I can get to those 4 bolts. A lot easier this way. Alright, let's take it off. Alright, got the new one in. Here comes a gust of wind again. Right there, new one. Got it halfway all back together. Just put the air box back on and clear the codes and cross our fingers. Hope it's fixed. Alright, it's all back together. Driven at 35 miles, no codes. Seems to be running okay. No stumbling. You would stumble at idle. So hopefully this clears it. Like I said, there's no codes. Driven at 35 miles, I'd already have a rich code. Bank 1. P0172. So probably take it for another drive. Alright, that's going to end another Bobby's Backyard Auto Works on the 2002 Toyota Corolla. Never got it to pass smog, no nothing, so I sold it to LKQ. They gave me 550 bucks for it, so I lost about 700-800 bucks on it. So hey, you win some, you lose some. So until next time, please like, share, subscribe, right down the corner. Talk to you guys later.